Post-dive procedures. After diving with your BlackTip, rinse the scooter clean. Then run the scooter for a few seconds while pressing the trigger a few times to release any additional water buildup. After that, wipe or use compressed air to spray the scooter dry and remove the batteries, being careful not to allow drips or seepage into the scooter body and battery ports. It's important to do this as soon as possible after diving, and never store your batteries in your scooter. The small power draw of the scooter will eventually drain the batteries and potentially damage them. Store your scooter in a warm, dry location.